Hey, it's Mike with the 61 Beetle, making some more progress. Like or subscribe if you want to help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Today what I did is on the door, after I did the door mechanisms, I put in basically what I can fit. See, water is going to come in here, so I have to use this the foam that doesn't absorb water. So I've got this foam in here, and it still allows the water to get to the bottom, and I've drilled the two holes back when I did the body work. So there's still, you probably see them there. Let's see, there should be two holes under the door that allows water out. Maybe it's under the seal. So anyway, that's in the doors, and I believe I'm going to use the same, because water theoretically can come through here. So I believe I'm going to do the same thing in here, where I'm going to use the foam and not the jute. So what I did on the ceiling, so I took this jute fabric or padding, which looks like this. It's probably about a 1/2 inch thick, and I measured it. So I needed 38.5 by 57, and then using this 3M 77 spray adhesive, I have gone on the inside here, and you can see here I've got one piece here, and then here is kind of the seam. There's a lot of adhesive on there though, so the seam shouldn't matter. Then it goes all the way back, and you know, it comes out fairly close to where this top thing is. So, you know, to get the headliner, those little rods into there, it could be a little bit of a challenge, but so this is, I think, about as thick as I could have used. You know, it's like a 1/2 inch. I maybe could have stuck with a 1/4 inch on that, but hopefully that will work with the headliner, and I think this is gonna work out great. It looks good. I think it should do a good job deadening the sound. If I knock on the top, you know, compare this with this. See, that might even be an echo chamber. This is good. So, that being said, I've got the, you know, a good start to my sound insulation on the inside and the doors. So the doors now, you know, I put in these supports, and I believe I'm basically ready now for when my panels come in. I can just go ahead and finish up the doors with the panels. I also noticed that there's this screw here, and there was this little rubber guy here that I put back in. And so other than the panel things, there's nothing left, I think, to bolt in here. So I believe I should be done with that. If anybody sees something that I'm missing in this panel, just shout it out to me. Let me know. Like, I don't know what that is. There's something right behind it, so I assume a panel can't go in there, but there were only 2 of these rubber things. I think it was here. Could have been there, but I think it was here, so I went ahead and put it back in there. Keep this thing from hitting against it. I found the correct screws for these stops, and I went ahead and changed those out. So I believe the doors are ready, so I can get the rest of the Silas Beetle insulation here on the back lower part here, just up to about where those black seatbelt screws are, just kind of going up there where it would resonate, and then get that fully covered. And then I'm going to put that as well on the floor pans. I have to paint here where the damage was from the brake fluid that leaked out. It basically ate away all the paint, and you can see it's starting to do some surface rust. But I'm going to repaint this. I'm going to get the Silas insulation all over the floor, and then up to the top there where the carpet comes, which is up to there, and then first the Silas, then the carpet pad, and waiting for my carpet kit as well as my door panels, and you know, I just gotta go one step at a time. So anyway, that's the progress with the jute on the top there. Hopefully that 1/2 inch is not too thick, and we're gonna see how that goes. I'll show which headliner I got upstairs real quick before I shut down the video. So this is the headliner I got. This is the TMI easy install bug headliner, and it's kind of off-white, perforated like this, and so, you know, it kind of has the stock fabric look, but I've also seen some headliners that are just more just fabric, not this perforated stuff, but it has 4 of these guys, bars that go across the top. So, you know, my main concern is getting, you know, those go across and inside of some sleeves like this, and of course you have to get that in under where I have the jute going into the that little side area. So I think I should be able to tuck that in, but we'll see how difficult it is for me to tuck that in. Anyway, so here's headliner as I prepare that whole interior. And of course, I have my windows already ready to go, but one thing at a time, and got to do first things first. So, all right,